Welcome back to Videodroid Tech. So I'm provide how can get TikTok on your iPhone. So I'm provide full guide, don't skip my video. So open Appstore, go to search option, search it to TikTok, find TikTok apps. So look here, not showing it to TikTok because TikTok recently banned some country. So don't worry, I'm provide 100% solution. If you want to follow my own solution, then you get 100% back your TikTok apps and provide proof. So let's get start. At first open settings, click on media and purchase. As you can see, I am living in United States, so this is the main problem. Just change my region. So I'm select Germany. Select okay, you just copy my all address. Same to same. Press on next. Okay, alright, now change my region. So now I'm check. As you can see, now successfully changed my region United States to Germany. And now I'm try to App Store, open and find here to TikTok. Okay, I'm get finally TikTok official apps. So just press on to download. Okay, alright, now successfully complete download and install. Now I'm open. So look here, now successfully download and install my TikTok.